What are you doing? Jazz hands. Reaction videos and fun things. Hey guys, it's me, Justin Thurman, and today I am going to be doing another YouTube video where I have a squishy. It's called, well, this one is a skit. It's where, what will happen if you bring a squishy to school? This is a not plastic squishy. This is one of the soft ones. Yep. A lot of people do not have this kind. Most people have the plastic kind. Yep, this is a squishy though. So believe that. And I said that instead of that. Yes, I know. I just want to sound cool. So, yeah. This is a squishy I got for my birthday. This is a skip video. I never bought a squishy to school. And before we get in the video, well, I got this from my friend Janaya. Last month was my birthday, so she gave it to me as a birthday present. So, and I have a couple of shoutouts. 1, Zendaya. 2, Tom. 3, Jacova. Thanks for subscribing to me. Who else? It was somebody else. Oh, Aliana, thanks. Janaya. I don't know who else. Oh! Yeah, I think that's all. Probably is. Well, yeah, and enjoy. I forgot one more thing. Welcome to another video. Wait. Okay. Squishies. Squishies. I love you, squishy. Love you. Amazing. You smell so good. Is that a squishy? Yes, and a matter of fact, it is. And you cannot play with it because last time I let you play with my slime and you told on me. Well, I won't tell. Promise. Yes, I promise. I'm gonna trust you with this. Here you go. Ooh, yes! I've always wanted a squishy. Thanks for letting me play with your squishy. Now, time to have some fun. Yeah. Yeah. No, squishy, come back. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Squishy, I'm gonna poke you in your eyeball. Beep. I Da, da, da. Da. Squishies are so much fun. I love to hit squishies. There's a squishy back. Thanks. What did you do to my squishy? Now it's mushed right here. I can barely even look at it. This is horrible. What? You messed up my squishy. Why couldn't you might as well tell on me? Oh, I can do that. All you had to do is ask. Miss Ann, sorry. Miss Ann, sorry. Destiny has slime. Slime? I mean, she has a squishy. Last time she had slime. This time she has a squishy. Miss Ann, sorry. Squishy now, and you get it at the end of the day. Okay? And phone call with your parents. No phone call. Just go to the principal's office and they'll have a talk. Squishy now. Thank you very much. Phone now. Okay, guys, I hope you liked that video. Thanks for watching and goodbye. Boo, 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 boo.